Девочки, а может вот отсюда попробовать? Девочки!
This is Milan. Guys, this is Milan. This is Duomo di Milano. The Cathedral of Milan. You see? There are many pigeons here. Oh, Puma. Tesoro, your pigeons are here, oh. Oh, this is Milan, guys. This is the plaza in front of the cathedral.